So Professor Liu is going to teach you how to do chapter 15 dash underscore 1 classwork. This work demonstrate the polymorphism. We have a picture inheritance structure to show you this project. The base class is person. Derived class are student and faculty. And teaching faculty derived from faculty. So this is a multiple, so student, faculty, and multi-level, person, faculty, teaching faculty. Multi-level type of the inheritance. And we are going to take a look how do we manipulate this inheritance. So let me come to here right now. First, let's go to our inheritance here. So first you will see the enum here. And so enum is actually a data type you created. And because you probably want to use like archaeology, biology, computer science, you want to use the word because department usually is business department, accounting, computer information technology. But for as a programmer, it's easy for us to use 012. So don't worry about that. I'll give you example. This will be if you enter 0, stand biology stand for you enter 1, computer science is 2, freshman 0. We didn't use at all. We just example. So take a look right now. So the person, okay, you have name and you have set name, get name. All right. So get name right here. Watch the get name here. So the person has a get name and student inherit person. So student inherit person, then student already have a name. Now student have major and also have advisor. And this student also associate with professor because we need to find out his advisor is from some professor. All right. So the student can get major, student can get advisor. Okay. Let's see the faculty right now. So faculty inherit from person. That's derived class faculty. Person is base class. So faculty beside the faculty has name right here. The faculty actually have another field is department. So the faculty here you have a name and department, and you use the person to initialize the name, and faculty just need to initialize the department. All right. So teaching faculty inherit from faculty. So teaching faculty has 4 field right now. Sorry, 3 field. Besides you have name, you have department, now you have title. So you have name, department, and title. All right. So the faculty, the name right here, we don't need to say the name will be doing by the person instead of faculty. So do faculty will go back to do a name and department. And teaching faculty will give a title right here and set title, get name. All right. So now let's take a look this program right now at here. So this important to learn right here right now. So person, I have a pointer point to person. Faculty, I have a PF, that's a pointer point to faculty. PTF is a pointer point to a teaching faculty. All right. So if I'm going to do a teaching faculty, I need to give 3 things, right? Name, Indiana Jones, and the department, and the title. All right, so the first one, and when you do get name here, and it will get the name from Indiana Jones. All right, so we also learned something else. Okay, so PDF is the derived class is one below PF. PS is higher. You actually allow to have the derived to base. All right, this is very confused, but you just learn it, and later on when you use it, you just need to pay attention. Okay, so now is derived go higher level. All right, so that means parent children to parent you can assign. So PTF is lower to above, that's fine. Then if you do PF get name, you still get Indiana Jones. All right, now you can also assign derived two level. Remember, person, next level is faculty, and next level is teaching faculty. So PDF can assign to the grandparent. That's okay too. All right, so once you get name here, okay, now this is a problem right here. Okay, so once you here, you can do PF get name, but you assign to the grandparent here. When you do get name, you have to static cast. You have to static cast. So you have to make these. You have to make this grandparent PP, this pointer lower down to teaching faculty. Then you can get name. All right, so let's take a look here. Another one. Okay, you assign, so teaching faculty, another one, PDF that teaching faculty. Then I wanted to make a higher level. PP is a higher level grandparent. Assign to a lower level, I must cast it. So I cast this right now. Once I cast it, so I can get name through the teaching faculty. Let me run this program with you right now. All right, so let's take a look here. The first one here, PDF, because it point to your faculty. That's a PTF is a pointer to teaching faculty. So you get name here. Remember, teaching faculty get name need to have a title. So Dr. Indiana Jones. Now we're going to assign the teaching faculty to upper level. So I'm going to teaching faculty right now. Okay, I'm going to go to faculty. Remember, faculty is going to use person. Person will not have the title. So you just get Indiana Jones. There's no doctor right here. So this one go over there. In order to get it, in order let, so right now, if I'm going to PTF assign higher level to person, I need get name. So you understand? You want it to your derived class. So your person only do name. Your derived class will do extra. And but if you just directly assign them without cast, it will not do the extra. So this one, they don't do the extra. Once you cast it, it does the extra for you. All right, same thing, you cast, it does the extra for you. So now you see this, the problem here is we are going to solve this one because it's too confused. This is not only confused to you, it's confused to many people. So when do I need to cast? So even though you can write a note for yourself, say, all right, as long as bottom lower to upper, I have to cast. Maybe you write a note for yourself. Maybe you write a note for yourself for that. Okay, then you know, if even though that is confused, it's okay. So we are going to show you the second way to solve it. We're going to show you a second way to solve it. All right.